Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Tampa, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to talk about permits and inspections for deck and patio projects in the Tampa area. This part of the process can feel confusing, but once you understand the basics, it's much easier to work through. Let's start with permits. In most cases, building a new deck, rebuilding an old one, or making major structural changes will require a permit. The reason is simple. Decks are weight-bearing structures people stand on, and the city wants to make sure they're built safely. A permit triggers plan review and inspections that help catch problems before they become risks. To get a permit, you typically need a plan that shows the size of the deck, where it sits on the property, and how it's built. That includes footing locations, post sizes, beam and joist spans, and how the deck connects to the house. For elevated decks, railings and stairs are part of the picture too. The more clear and complete the plan, the smoother the review tends to go. Once the permit is approved, construction can start, but there will usually be inspections along the way. A common sequence includes a footing inspection before concrete is poured, a framing inspection before the surface goes on, and a final inspection once everything is complete. Each step gives the inspector a chance to see critical parts of the structure while they're still visible. During a footing inspection, the inspector checks depth, wind placement relative to the plans. The goal is to make sure the deck has a solid base that can carry the load. On the framing inspection, they'll look at post connections, beam sizes, joist spacing, hardware, and ledger attachment to the house. At final inspection, they'll review rail heights, baluster spacing, stair details, and overall safety. Design choices and materials can affect how the deck is reviewed. Spans and spacing all tie into how strong the deck will be. When composite decking like Trex is used, inspector and builder both need to follow manufacturer guidelines for joist spacing and fastening. That ensures the deck surface is supported the way it was designed to be. Sometimes permits and inspections can feel like delays, but they serve an important purpose. They help verify that what's built in your yard matches safety standards and the approved plans. If an issue does come up, it's better to catch it at a framing inspection than a few years down the road after people have been using the deck. Common problems that slow things down include incomplete drawings, missing structural details, or unapproved changes made during construction. Clear communication and sticking to the plan help avoid those headaches. When changes are truly needed, they should be documented and updated with the permitting office. Working with a builder who understands the local process makes a big difference. We know what inspectors look for, how to prepare the job for each inspection, and how to respond if they request adjustments. That keeps the project moving and gives you confidence that the finished deck or patio is built right. If you're thinking about a new outdoor project and want to understand the permitting process for your specific property, you can reach our team at 813-534-5635 or visit toughdeckbuilderstampa.com. At Tough Deck Builders Tampa, we handle permits and inspections as part of a normal project, so you don't have to guess your way through it. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Tampa.